Okay. Right, so a lot of people come back to me with lower back problems, okay? Problems coming up from a chair after they've been sitting at the desk for a long time.
Yeah.
Okay? It's normally, people have been sat at the desk. When they get up, they're doing this. The back is extending and then the legs are coming up. That's really, a really common pattern. So they're overarching their back every time they stand up. Hence the back muscles go tired, hence they go into spasm.
Yeah.
The aim of this exercise is to try and prevent that, stop that from happening.
Yeah.
We want to get the glutes firing properly. Okay. So this is a beginner of a deadlift exercise. Okay. Want to make sure you can do it. We're not going to be doing deadlifts, but we get the form right, and you can progress on to that if you wanted to. But so feet hip width distance apart. Actually, shoulder width distance apart. That's good. Standing nice and tall for me. So your back is in a straight line. I'm just going to grab this guide. Okay. So nice and tall, standing nice and tall. If you imagine, you know, the little nodding dogs things, what we're going to be doing, keeping the back doesn't move. You shouldn't feel your back at all. It's all in the hips, all in the glutes and the hamstrings. Okay. We're bending at the hips, hinging at the hips, not the waist. Okay, so sometimes, it's a good idea to feel that little bone there. Some people, so you should be bending below that.
Okay.
So you're not bending from there. Actually, just try that. So if you kind of bend at your waist, you feel the difference. Now try and bend from the hips, lower down, from there. That's it. You're hinging from there, coming back up. Excellent. That's good. So keeping that back nice and tall, straight, lengthened. Hover down, so leaning backwards a little bit, as far as your hamstrings will let you. Cool. Keep looking at the floor and slowly come back up. Now you're hinging your back there. Still, can you see that? Okay, can you feel that? Try again. So pull the tummy in, keep the tummy in. Lean back with your hips. You're lowering down. Slow, and then whoa, from the bottom there. Take a breath at the bottom. Squeeze your glutes, engage your glutes, don't move your back, just push forwards with your hips. Keeping the back straight, back straight, lift. Push the hips forwards for me. So at the end, actually, it's nice to engage your glutes a bit more. So what we'll be doing is a little push forwards, overextend the hips a little bit. So I want the glutes firing. Okay, good. Lowering down. And come back up. And a little bum squeeze at the end. Yeah? Try it one more time. So initiate, so come back up. Can you just, sometimes it's a good idea to punch your bottom. Get it fired up. Wake it up. Right, standing tall. How about putting your hands behind your back, like that? So you feel that arch, you don't want the arch getting bigger. Okay, we're keeping it nice and keeping that arch the same all the way through, but not letting it move. So you initiate the movement by sticking your bum back. Keeping chest up, pushing back as far as your hamstrings will let you. My hamstrings are better than yours. And then, so your back doesn't move. Back's not moving. Back's not moving. Squeeze your glutes, lift, and bring that pelvis forwards. So your back isn't moving. It's your hips going forward and backwards. Hips are going forwards and backwards in the movement. Back isn't moving. That's good. That's better. Great. Lean forward. Good. Back down again. Already leaning back. So this is a muscle movement pattern that you need to train. Certainly if you've been doing this in the gym, I'm not surprised if you've been doing heavy weights. Wouldn't surprise me if your back's hurting, if you were overusing your back muscles. This is all about trying to use your glutes to lift stuff rather than your lower back, okay?